Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the doorbell. Turn off the breaker or remove the battery if your Nest uses one. Once done, open the Nest app and unlink the camera so it stops streaming and won't need reauthorization. Make sure you have a ladder, a small screwdriver, and a pry tool at hand. These save time and protect the finish. This first step prevents electrical issues and avoids accidental damage to wiring or the unit when you begin physical removal. You now remove the camera from its mount. Hold the unit steady, then unscrew the mounting screws so it doesn't fall. Once the bracket is free, carefully pull the unit away to expose terminal screws and wiring, and loosen those screws to free the wires. Make sure to label each wire or photograph the connections for future reference. This is critical if you plan to reinstall or replace the doorbell. Doing this prevents miswiring and speeds up any subsequent setup. You finish by capping exposed wires with wire nuts or wrapping them with electrical tape to ensure safety. Then put all screws and the camera into a labeled bag for storage or transport. Once secured, restore power at the breaker if you turned it off. If the Nest didn't unlink in the app, power cycle the unit or perform a factory reset and try unlinking again. This resolves most software hangups. If problems persist, check the app's device list and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.